Are you a woman who is searching for different ways of how you can start making extra money right in the comfort of your own home? You don't have the time or the mental bandwidth to pick up a second job for that extra stream of income. But what if I tell you that you can create an additional stream of income with your full-time 9 to 5 job while being a mom without having to pick up a second job? You can create some extra income while also having some fun doing that. Does that sound like something you're interested in? Stick around because we're going to jump right into it. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to me here, my name is Yashika Turner. Now let's talk about the 10 fun ways of how you can start making an additional stream of income, making some money right from home. And the first side hustle idea of how to start making money from home is party planning. If you have that creativity when it comes on to planning events, planning party, then you can start planning events, planning party, especially kids party, right in the comfort of your own home. Now, if you have an additional space in your house, in your backyard, in your basement, then kudos to you. That makes it even better. You can lay out weekends, a couple weekends for the month, or you can craft out a few days per week in the evening time after work where you set aside a 3 hour time span for persons to come and have their party in the comfort of your home if you have the space. And why not make some money from the comfort of your home with that space, right? Now, a lot of times, us as moms, really, we're busy. We don't have the time. We don't have the bandwidth to host our own events for our kids or on party for our kids in our homes. So oftentimes I find even me myself in the past, I've researched party event spaces so that I can just go there with my child, with their friends. We have the party there and then we leave. And do you know how lucrative this business can be? Up to $300. Yes, I know those party spaces might have slides and other stuff, but you can make your event space, craft your own event space. If you have a basement, you set it up with different themes and you get different like kids activities, kids games to host those events right in the comfort of your home. Number 2 is cake baking and decorating. And I love this one. If you don't know already, I love the kitchen. Cooking is one of my passions. So if cooking is your passion, if baking is your skills and your gifts and your expertise, why not start up a cake baking business right in the comfort of your home? If you want to go a step further, you can also become certified in cake baking and decorating. So you can even do wedding cakes. You know how much money is that? Wedding cakes is a very lucrative business. So you can do that in the comfort of your home. And this can be a spin-off, an extension from step 1, being a party event planner. You can also be the cake decorator, providing the cakes and the treats for that party, getting an additional stream of income. Number 3 is childcare. Let me tell you, if you love kids, we know kids are fun, kids are excited. So if you love that fun and excitement and you have that bounce of energy, just like a kid, why not start up a childcare business? You can do before or after care, or you can even do weekend childcare. For busy professionals, they're here, especially us as new immigrants, we find at times it's very limited trying to find a job that suits your schedule, especially even if you're a single mom, and it's hard to find daycares or trusted persons to take care of our children. So if you're living in a neighborhood, you know single moms, you know friends, you know persons working weekends, working night shifts, you can offer to provide childcare services right in the comfort of your home. This can be lucrative, right? Up to $40, $60 per day. So this can bring an additional $500 per week. So if childcare, if kids is your thing, then think about this one. If you're liking this video so far, please go ahead and hit the subscription button so other women who are looking for a side hustle can see this number video. 4, are you gifted in music? Is that you? Yes? Then why not start doing music lessons in the comfort of your home? Now, again, this can be working with kids or even working with adults, right? In the comfort of your home. You set your prices, you set your time when you're available, and you start making some money. Ching ching in the evenings while your kids are doing their homework or they're occupied. As long as you're within the space where they can see you, I'm sure that they will feel more comfortable with you being at home rather than you're out at another job away from them. Next up is being a fitness instructor. I know you've been on that fitness journey and you have had some success on that fitness journey. You indulge in daily fitness regimes, daily exercise. Why not create a community and why not help others on that journey to achieve that same result that you have achieved as a fitness instructor, being a fitness instructor, being in the fitness niche, being a fitness lover, whatever you want to call it, right? If that's your expertise, that's your passion, that's your skill, then think about being a fitness instructor. You can have one-to-one classes, you can have Zoom classes, or you can even take it a step further by launching a YouTube channel. And this can be another lucrative one. Think about it. Let me know in the comments. Does this sound like you? If you still haven't found a side hustle that you can do in the comfort of your own home while we're at number 5, before we get to number 6, then go ahead and check out this list of 50 different side hustles that I've crafted just for you. Just in case you didn't find any in this video, I'm sure you will find one in that list of 50 different ideas. Now let's jump into the next one. Next up is being a blogger. Are you a writer? Do you like writing? Do you just like to express your thoughts, your feelings, to share thoughts, to share recipes, to share your journey, to share experience? What is it do you have up in your head, up here, that you can share with somebody else on a platform as writing it out? Now, there are different platforms that you can use for blogging, and with blogging, you can even plug in affiliate links into your blogs to make an additional stream of income. So if you are that writer, you're gifted, you're skilled in writing, then think about blogging. Next up is being an Amazon affiliate, on-site commission, reviewing videos. I'm currently doing this one and I'm currently loving it. If you need more information on how to do this, I will definitely do a video for you. Just let me know in the comments. And while you're at that, go ahead and subscribe so you see when that video drops. To be a part of the Amazon on-site commission, then you have to be an Amazon affiliate, and then you will have to sign up to be a part of this other extension of Amazon affiliate. And with this, you're reviewing videos, products you buy from Amazon or products that you have on hand that are sold on Amazon. You just take up whatever the product is, you do a quick video of what you like about the product, and if you recommend it, and you pop it up on your Amazon storefront, on your Amazon thing, and kudos, you will get a commission once somebody click that link and make a purchase. And you know the good thing about that, they don't have to make a purchase on that specific product, but if they purchase something within that same like product, so say you're reviewing a phone or a tablet, and they went and they purchased a phone case for that tablet, you will get a commission. I've seen that in my Amazon report where I did a video on a specific product, but I got commission based on like the recommended product or the next step of product for that product. Next up is to be a hairstylist. Do you have the gifts and the skills and the talents with your hands, gifted with your hands with doing your own hair? You like my hairstyle? I did it. And I've done this side hustle in the past of doing hair in the comfort of my own home. If you're good with your natural hair, you're good at braiding, you're good at making wigs, you're good at locks, sister locks, micro locks, then set up a business in the comfort of your home where you're doing person's hair. Do you know how many women cannot do their own hair? Do you know how many women will pay you to do their hair? And you can get up to $300 per day doing this at home, being a hairstylist. Next up is another fun one, is to be a caterer. Yes, we are back in the food industry. And I did a video about this specifically, of how you can make a lucrative home-based business in the food industry. You can go ahead and check it out right here. I list it here for you to go check it out after watching this video, of course, where I went through how to start up, how to market, and how to promote that business as a caterer. So if this is your gift, your skills, your interest, then set up your catering services and start offering private catering services, starting out with platters. Then you can maybe cater for bigger events, which may come bigger, leading up to you doing a recipe book, you doing YouTube videos, and lots more. Go check out the video. And lastly, you know, I always mention this one. If you don't know as yet, then you know that it will be a YouTube channel. Yes, I love YouTube. I just did my video actually on my first YouTube paycheck. Go check it out right here. But with YouTube, it is so much that you can offer. I find YouTube fun and exciting. When it's time for me to do these videos for you, I get so pumped up, I get so excited, and I just want to get it done, to share my knowledge, share my expertise, share my journey with you. So what is it? What niche is it that you can venture into YouTube? I think my next video is going to be the most profitable niches on YouTube. So you can choose one and start off with that one. But YouTube can be fun. It is fun, and I'm enjoying it so far, and I know that you will too. So go ahead and start your YouTube channel. If you have no idea on how to get started, check out this video also of how you can get started with just using your phone. And I will link all this stuff that I use currently. I'm using my phone, but all the other gadgets, tools, in the description below. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.